How many gallons of liquid can be held in a tank that measures 40 feet long by 25 feet wide by 12 feet deep? Well, they didn't give me a diameter for this tank, and so I am pretty sure that it's either square or rectangular. So let's just draw this tank and kind of what it looks like. So this tank is 40 feet long. It is 12 feet deep, and it's 25 feet wide, and we want to know how many gallons does it hold. A good strategy when you're looking at a problem like this is to go ahead and underline the thing that they're asking you for when you first read through the problem, because then you're less likely to forget to go back and check when you get to the end. Alright, so this is a rectangular tank, and again they're asking for gallons, so this is a volume. So let's find the volume of a rectangular tank, and it is the length of the tank times the width of the tank times the height of the tank, or the depth. Let's plug in everything that we know. The length of this tank is 40 feet. It is 25 feet wide, and it's 12 feet deep. Okay. We're going to multiply all of these numbers together on the calculator. 40 times 25 times 12, and that's going to give us 12,000. But the question is, 12,000 what? Numbers don't mean anything unless they have units associated with them. So I've got feet times feet times feet, and what that ends up giving me in my answer is 12,000 cubic feet. But if I go back up here and look, they didn't ask me for cubic feet, they asked me for gallons, and so I need to convert that. So I'm going to do a little railroad track. I've got 12,000 cubic feet. That's what I'm starting with. I'm going to draw my little railroad track here. I've got cubic feet on the top, which means cubic feet must go underneath if I want them to cancel. Gallons is going to go on top. So which one is bigger, a cubic foot or a gallon? Cubic foot is bigger. There are 7.48 gallons in every cubic foot. And it looks like I'm done. I'm just going to verify that my units actually cancel. I've got cubic feet on the top, cancels with cubic feet on the bottom, and it leaves me with gallons. And those gallons that are left over are going to come over here and become part of my answer. Okay, so there's gallons. Everything above the line gets multiplied. Everything below the line gets divided. In this case, we only have the 1 on the bottom, and so any number divided by 1 is going to give us the same thing, so we don't actually need to divide. So the way that we're going to put this in the calculator is 12,000 times 7.48, and what we end up with is 89,760 gallons.